guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I know we're closer than usual, but I am showing you how to make these adorable jars that have been up here behind me. You guys have seen them in my videos, but I took them all down because I'm going to show you how I did these. It's just a very simple spring thing, and let's not waste any more time and get right on into the video. I had 5 jars, so from starting here, it says sweet. And the 3 in the middle, by the way, these are mason jars and these are just regular jars. I believe you can get these all at either Dollar General or Dollar Tree for sure. And the letters, the gold letters, they're just stick-on, by the way. And you can get those, I believe we got them at Family Dollar. So like the Dollar Trees, the Dollar Places, that's where you want to get this stuff. The flowers, you can get them at Hobby Lobby. The rocks, Dollar Tree. And then the lipsticks are mine. So are the bracelets. And this candle, I'm not really sure where you can get these, but I'll try and find it. It's just like, you just turn it on and basically it's a fake candle. By the way, guys, this is not a real candle. I actually don't have real candles in my room. But I'm going to show you how to make these. Now, first off, the gold on the top of the mason jars is actually glitter glue, and this is something I had done a long time ago, so I had a couple of those that I just put glitter glue on the top, and I thought I added a really nice romantic touch to it, which I really, really loved about this. And then we just have 2 filled with flowers in here, and I love this too. It's really a romantic thing, guys, and so all you do is you take your jar, and this one actually has tape on it behind the S because we couldn't get it to stick on. So you just stick on your letter. You fill up the rocks to the level of wherever your letter is. If you can kind of tell, most of these have like the rocks filled up to the level of where the letter's going to be. So that was important. I made sure that they were filled up to that level. And then I filled them with whatever I wanted. So this one's filled with bracelets, this one's filled with flowers, this one's filled with lip glosses, flowers again, and a candle. So I really, really love this up there because it's very simple. It's a very basic idea, and you can make this very easily. A lot of people have jars, different jars. So you notice how we had these 2, and we put them on each outside of the 3 in the middle, which created a really unique look, which is what I loved about it. Like I said, you can get pretty much all the stuff at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or Family Dollar. Very easy, very basic idea, and I don't think I need to explain very much. These are just fake flowers, by the way, guys. We just cut them basically and stuck them in here. I don't really want to take them out because I don't want to mess it up too much, but yeah, so you can use pebbles, you can use rocks, you can use whatever you have for the look that you're going for. We chose the lip glosses in the middle because they were the tallest. I remember like, okay, my mom kind of helped me, and she was like, okay, well, let's go shorter, and then we can go taller in the middle by putting lip glosses in here. And I already had like the candle and the bracelets idea, and then she gave me the flowers to use, and it's just a very classic spring thing, and we decided to spell the word sweet instead of like spring or Easter or something. And the 5 jars are really enough for the little shelf that I have up here. So it worked really, really well, guys. So I think that is it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed on how to make these. And yeah, I really, really love this idea. And I think I was glad to be able to share another DIY with you guys. If you like these types of videos, please leave a like and a comment below. And subscribe if you haven't already. There will be a video Saturday. Yay! So twice this week. Can you believe that? I am actually stunned myself. If you have not checked out my last video, it was with a good friend of mine, my very first collab. Kelly Whackers is what she calls herself. And I will go ahead and link that below for you guys. We also did a video over on her channel, and I'll also link that below. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I think that's it. Until next time, be happy always. Bye, guys. Happy Easter.